As you can see, end of November, Greece is still so warm that our beautiful habanero yielded another big harvest of this year. First time we made hot sauce. Now she's enthusiastic again. There's a link down below to that episode where we made this. It's an excellent hot sauce. Now this time we are going to do something else. We're going to preserve our habaneros by dehydrating them. The only preparation we want to do is to pinch a couple of holes, maybe 3, so that we can speed up a little bit the dehydration process. You will get chili oil on your fingers. If you're not a fan of that, then use a pair of gloves, but you can always wash it off. And then I also have here some bird-eyed chilies from an episode last week that we're going to put into the process also, not for them to go off. For this process, we're going to use our pellet smoker because that works like a convection oven. You can do this in your regular oven, but that will take longer time. And plus, I get the benefit of getting some smoke flavor on my chilies.
Yeah, you and smoke flavors. If you could, you would smoke me as well.
That's an idea, actually. I have the pellet smoker running at 85 degrees. We don't want it too high. We don't want to cook them. We only want to dry them out. Now we'll let them go for several hours, and then I'll show you how they look. 2 hours in, let's give them a check. Well, they're doing fine, but this is going to take longer than I expected. So back on the smoker with them, and we give them another couple of hours. Well, now they definitely look ready. Look at those. They are pretty, and they're exactly what you want. See, they're a little bit pliable. They're not totally dry. They are like, I don't know, leathery in consistency, and that's what you want from those. The bird eyes here, they are completely crisp, but those I will grind up in the mortar and pestle into chili flakes. The habaneros here, I'm going to vacuum them in smaller batches, and then I'm going to freeze them so I have chilies for the whole winter, for stews, also buco, chili, obviously, which we're going to make another episode of.